I'm attorney Neil Shouse, and I represent victims of failed hernia mesh devices. I often get asked, what are the most common serious complications of hernia mesh surgery? It certainly is common for there to be swelling and inflammation and pain immediately after the surgery. And any time a foreign device is placed in the body, there is a risk of infection. But these are normal post-operative symptoms that generally go away in time. But there are more serious long-term complications that can manifest months or even years after the surgery. Often these are signs that the hernia mesh has failed and that revision surgery to repair or remove the device is necessary. There are 5 typical complications that we see again and again. 1. Migration of the mesh device. This is when the mesh device moves from the place of the hernia to other parts of the body. 2. Infection. While infection is most common during the immediate post-operative stage, it can occur much later, especially if the device migrates. 3. Bowel obstruction. This is a blockage of the small or large intestine, which can make it difficult or even impossible to pass stool or gas. Number 4. Perforation of organs. This is where the mesh device or the scar tissue adheres to or pierces vital organs. Perforation of organs can be life-threatening. 5. Chronic pain and GI symptoms. These symptoms may persist for months or years and are often signs of very serious internal injuries. These sorts of serious complications occur all too often with hernia mesh implants. The fact is that many of these mesh devices were never properly tested and are simply not safe to be implanted in the human body. Right now, there are literally thousands of lawsuits pending against the manufacturers. If you are a hernia mesh victim and you'd like to participate in this litigation, we invite you to call us here at the Shouse Law Group.